So for this example, we are just going to Control-C copy the last example to the clipboard, and from here open up Blender 2.83. So this version is using HardOps 987_16, which is the version where we added to floor. And under settings, just control-clicking manage will evict cutters out of the scene and place them in the cutters collection, which I just love. So often I need to evict things that come over as a byproduct of the ability to Control-C. So to show this example, I'm just going to bring this cube up like so, and let us also Control-A, and maybe let's undo placing our location. But basically, if we select this face and we were to choose to floor, the operation is now complete. However, when we tap out of edit mode, we see that all of our booleans are placed somewhere not where we wanted them. So let's enable them and look at where they are, and they're actually all underneath this mesh, so it's kind of weird. I bet we can move it down a little bit, and just like that we have replicated our work to corner in a flat linear area. So that's kind of interesting, but really not the desired result. So as a result, there's been some improvements made with it. Not saying that you should take your cubes upwards and rotate them off to the side like this, because this is silly in itself. But if you do, and you select a face and you choose to floor, and then we tab out, we see that it was able to place the object to the floor, and all the booleans came in exactly as they're supposed to be. So that's the purpose of that particular improvement. Proud to see it as a thing now. It was just a minor annoyance that probably affected only me, but definitely noticed it.